Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. Happy Thanksgiving in the house, and guys, we got the aliens right here, guys. And I don't want to say it's a great time to be alive because looks like we got a huge Debbie Downer event. And remember, this video is not for financial advice, and this is only for education in the house, guys. And I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So what the HE double hockey sticks is going on out there? You can see right now that the markets are down, Didi, down like crazy, guys. And you know what's caused that? We're going to jump into that. I'm going to tell you exactly what's caused that. A number of events are going on. We're seeing that there's decimation everywhere in the crypto space. Everything is going down like crazy. It's been a topsy-turvy day. Earlier this morning, things were looking good. Things were looking like we're going to get there. Jackie Chan there. We're going to the top. We're going to the moon. And in a matter of hours, we're seeing a complete reversal, and once again, we've had one of these black swan events, and these black swan events happen, guys, and this is one of the reasons that we're seeing a whole bunch of catalysts in the market that's pushing things down, Didi, down. So I know it's not the news that you want to hear, and it's Thanksgiving, and this kind of stuff is happening. So we're going to talk about what this is and the timing. The timing was designed to create the maximum fear, the maximum pain in the house for all of you crypto holders. So guys and gals, let's dive into the content without further delay, because I know you guys want to know what's going on. I want to know what's going on, and it's just a crazy day. It's a crazy Friday here. It's a Black Friday, guys, and this kind of thing happens. And remember, the stock exchange is only open for half a day today, and I love the timing when all this negative stuff's happening, and it's designed to drive home the maximum pain and make people panic, guys. So remember, let's jump into the content. You got to keep watching because this is huge news. It's great news. It's fantastic news. Remember, go down there, smash the likes, show some love for the OG and the alien in the house. Aliens here, and don't forget to subscribe. Why be in the house, guys? So, I mean, I'm excited because, I've seen this kind of thing time and time again. And it's designed to, create the fear, and shake out the paper hands and all that kind of stuff. So let's take a look at the pre-markets right now. So you can see that the whole pre-markets are down. We're talking down. The Dow futures is down 2% right now. We're seeing that the S&P futures is also down 1.84% right now. 1.85%. It just went down again. And we're seeing the Nasdaq futures are also down 1.3%. So things are not looking good right now. And if we take a look at the total market cap for crypto right now, it just had a huge tank, and the total market cap just like dropped 5%, just bang. I'm going to tell you why it dropped 5%, guys. Keep smashing those likes, and if you're watching live, don't forget to give super chats in the house, guys. And we're seeing that the total volume is about 685 billion in the past 24 hours. That's a cumulative, right? Cumulative. And we're seeing that Bitcoin dominance is also going up again. And it was in its 40s, and now it's gone bang. And we're seeing that the gainers and losers, 87% of all the crypto out there are in red, guys. It's a red Friday, guys. It's a red Friday, and only 13% of the coins are in the house. So you're seeing that the only coins that are making any money right now is Request Network, Hive, LPG, BAT, ENS, CD, COA, SC, Anchor, and PYR. Everything else is down. I mean, look at Spell. It's down 30%. DAR is down 27%. It's just crazy in the house, guys. USO game is down 19%. Rose is also down, guys. So what's causing all of this craziness out there? Well, there's two main catalysts that's causing all this craziness, and we're going to talk about it right now. We're going to jump into it right now. But before we do that, let's take a look at the coin markets. Let's take a look at the absolute coin prices right now. This is absolutely crazy. And keep watching, guys. Don't forget to smash the likes. We're seeing that Bitcoin now is, we got close to almost $59,000 in the house, and it's now down to $54,971. OMG. What do you think about that? This is not good, right? It's a Debbie Downer. So it's a Debbie Downer day, and it's down 4.61%. Now keep in mind the total market cap's gone down 5%, and we're look at Ethereum, guys. Look at Ethereum. If this continues, Ethereum could go below 4,000 and go to like 3,900. Wow. And all those gains that we had in the last 7 days have been wiped out. Jackie Chan, those gains are out of there. And we're also seeing that BNB is also down below 600, and it's down also 4.86%. And these things are going to continue droppity drop. And we're seeing Solana is wow. So it looks like my buy orders got filled. Solana is down 6.85%. Wow. So a lot of you guys are screaming, going crazy, wet in bed, running for the hills, and ducking for cover. And Solana's at 190 right now. We're also seeing that DOT is down at $35. It was like pretty close to 40. It was over 40 yesterday. It was 39 and change this morning. And it's down 35. It's just a miserable day for crypto right now, and it's at down 8.63%. My Doge, oh my MG, Doge has collapsed. Doge is at 20 cents, and it's probably and it's down also 6.81%. And there's a good probability that Doge could go down to 19-cent range. So we're going to look at the charts. We're going to look at that, and I'm also going to tell you what's causing this. So keep watching, guys. Keep watching. Keep smashing the likes. Keep loving the channel. Keep subscribing, YB. It looks like Avalanche is also down 12.8%. Wow! And we're seeing that also Shiba Inu. Wow, Shiba Inu is defying the odds right here, and it's up almost 0.37%. OMG! Look at Shiba Inu. Yeah, go Shiba Inu. So if you're holding a Shiba Inu, it's the only sole survivor on the block. Wow, look at CRO down 19.75%. Whee! Guys, I'm getting a headache just watching these charts. You're seeing everything is just going tang. Wow, look at SAN now. SAN is also down 11.83%. Wow. So what's causing this? Well, the one thing we're seeing is that the Dow futures are down. What's causing the Dow futures are down? Well, this is it. Chinese regulators have asked Didi to delist from the U.S. New York Stock Exchange. And Didi is like Uber or Grab. It's a kind of a ride-hailing company, and they were listed on stock exchange, and they had their IPO around about $14. And also SoftBank shares of Japan, they own 20% of Didi. Okay, so basically China is saying Chinese regulators have asked Didi to come up with a plan to delist from the New York Stock Exchange in the U.S. according to a Bloomberg report. And China's saying that's because of security reasons, because of data reason. And one of the reasons that we're seeing that also the New York Stock Exchange is going down huge, and we're going to have it when the markets open around about 9 o'clock, 9:15 New York time. We're going to see the markets tank, guys, because we have a lot of Chinese stocks like Alibaba and a whole bunch of stocks on New York Exchange that are Chinese based. It looks like China is basically, they're playing tit for tat, and they want Didi out of there. They knew that this was going to create a huge crash on Thanksgiving, and they timed it exactly perfect, guys. And what's Didi going to do? Well, they're going to have to delist in New York, and then they're going to offer the same share price as the closing today to their customers over on the Hong Kong exchange. And it looks like a lot of the Chinese-based companies that are now trading on the New York Stock Exchange, on the NASDAQ and other exchanges in the US are going to be delisted. And this is what China is doing to basically point a finger and create maximum fear, maximum panic for the US investors. And their timing is beautiful, guys, that they did it on Thanksgiving when most of the traders are either off, not watching their portfolios, and that way they could drive down the prices at max pain. And of course, because the futures are down, we're seeing crypto down. But there's also another reason that crypto is down. We're going to jump into that in a second. So you're seeing that it's just a crazy day out there. Another reason we're seeing is that because we have the liquidations happening today, we have $650 million worth of liquidations that are happening. And remember, most of these liquidations are long positions. So the institutions, the whales, the exchanges, they want to liquidate as many of the long positions as possible. So what they're doing is they were driving down the price driving down the prices. You had whales who were doing flash crash sales to drive down the price, to create this cascade, to panic the longs. And with this whole China thing in conjunction, it's just created this whole avalanche, an avalanche, and it's created this whole cascading price of Bitcoin, and all the other altcoins are down like 5, 6, 7% as I showed you. So this is what's going on, guys. It's insane in the membrane. You can see that, you know, Bitcoin went all the way down to 54,000. Ka-chung, we could hear it like kung kung. We could hear that. I mean, I could hear it. I could listen. You can hear even the aliens getting tired, you know, because it's crazy, guys. And you know, as I said, this is very typical. This is what happens. You know, we're going to see that the exchanges are going to always drive the price down to the max pain level. And because we had majority of the leverage positions were longs, they're going to drive the price down, right, guys? Because if we had stayed at 59,000 and 60,000, the bulls would have been in control. So the exchanges drove it down to the lowest price possible. That was about 54,000, and that means that all of the puts are in the money right now. And then we had this beautiful announcement from China that also drove things home. So it's just crazy time, guys. It's a crazy time. So I love it. And look, guys, don't panic. Trust me. This is going to wash out, you know, in the next couple of days. It'll all be forgotten. You're going to see that Bitcoin will auto correct back up very soon once these options liquidations are over. And remember, when the stock market and futures tank, it affects crypto, but the crypto is very resilient, and crypto will bounce back very fast, guys. So you guys will see that in the next 48 hours or so that this will actually correct itself, and we should start moving on back up. So I'm very disappointed because I thought the 24th, the 25th, we're looking pretty good. Things were turning green. We're seeing that things were going to go this way, and I was happy, and the alien was happy this was going to happen. Smash the likes and subscribe, guys. So let's take a look at the charts, guys. Now, don't get scared, guys. Let's take a look at the charts, and before that, let's just take a look at, you know, but TMC, he's still pretty confident. You know, the spend coin profitability caught a bounce and at a break even. So we saw that the profitability is breaking even. This was done. This tweet came out just before the China crash, so at that point everything was looking okay. We're seeing a bounce and everything was looking break even. But this is invalidated now because we had the China thing, so this is invalid right now. So, you know, we can see that the top 10 mentioned coins right now is a Bitcoin, Ethereum, Anchor, Shiba Inu, UFO Gaming. Now UFO Gaming is down. It tanked at like 19%. Dogecoin, Valas, and Binance Coin, and Solana. Nobody's talking about Cardano. Cardano is out of there, guys. Forget about Cardano. It's out of there. I mean, luckily I sold all my Cardano this morning before we had this crash. So that's good news for me. So I'm lucky that happened. I did buy in. I did dollar cost average. I bought some more Solana on the cheap. And I'm just, you know, I'm picking up some cheap. So this is a good time to go bargain hunting. There's a lot of bargains out there, guys. So let's take a look at it, guys. We can't control ourselves. Let's take a look at. So we're seeing that sand right now is it's at $7 right now, and it's come off from its all-time high today. You know, today it went as high as $7.33 in the last 4 hours, and before that it was even higher at $7.41. So it's come down. It's come down from its high earlier today to here. So that's dropped about 9%. In the house, guys. So let's take a look at the Doji now, guys. Don't panic. Don't get scared, guys. Have to buckle up, guys. So it's not looking good for the Doge right now. So Doge has just you know, tanked. This morning was around 22, and where we are right now, it's also gone down 9%. So we're seeing that Doge is also down 9%, guys. So I think that, you know, right now the next support line for Doge is around about 18 cents. Around about this level here is our next support level, around about there. Let's just paint that in. Right there is our support level. Right there, and we'll just paint that. Let me get my face out of there. Let's draw a horizontal line here. Let's do it, make it happen. Let's make that a support. So it's not looking too good for the Doge right now, but I think in the next 48 hours it's going to wash out. But I did tell you guys that TA only works until it doesn't, and we had a 60% chance to break the upside, 40% chance to break to the downside, and we broke down to the downside. Doge going to the moon, guys, or at least halfway, please. Let's get there. Now let's take a look at Shiba Inu in the house, Iwasi. So also Shiba Inu has also gone down from where it was earlier today. Today it was getting pretty close. It got to the 43 level, was hitting some resistance, and it kind of got stomped out there. And I was hoping that we could, get a bit of a reversal and get above that. But Shiba Inu failed. It got rejected, and it's actually gone down from its high today, and it's also down 10%. So everything is down 10% right now in the house. So things are going down, and Shiba Inu has just turned red from when I first talked about it a couple minutes ago in this video, and it was slightly up. So Shiba Inu right now is down 1.12%, but it's down almost 10% from the high that it was today. So wow, this is a crazy time to be alive right now, and I know a lot of you are panicking, and this is really also sad. We saw that earlier today that Bitcoin was painting a green candle today, and it was looking pretty good. Let me get this papas out of the way. And then we've had this reversal right now, so Bitcoin is down right now. So on the whole week, we're looking pretty sad right now. So this week, if we measure from the top of here to go here, Bitcoin is down almost 8% right now in the week, and we got 2 days and 14 hours. So unless we have some huge major turnaround, I think this is going to be another red week, guys. Another red week, not looking good. Solana has Bitcoin on the 4-hour right now. Once again, we have this huge, nasty, evil looking candle, and it's gone all the way down here, guys. And that's like I said, it's down like 8-9%. So that's not looking good. At least we're getting some support around the 54,300 level. So we went all the way down there, we got support, and we're coming back up again. I think we'll probably settle ourselves probably around about 50. I think we'll probably get back up to 56,000, halfway between the high point and the low point. I think we'll get back up to 56,000. I'm pretty confident of that. But let's see how the market reacts to the China Didi delisting. And Didi delisting, and the big fear on the New York Stock Exchange is all the other Chinese related stocks are also going to start delisting, and that's going to create a whole catalyst movement, and that could put the kibosh on the whole broader markets, guys, and that's going to put a lot of pressure on the crypto markets right now. Could this be the final nail in the coffin that basically confirms that the bull run is over? Well, I don't think so, because if we look at the 21-day EMA, as long as Bitcoin stays above the 21-day EMA on the weekly, we are still confirming that we're in a bull run. If it drops below that, then it's lights out, guys. Game over. Smash the like, subscribe, and if you're watching, don't forget to give a super chat in the house, guys. I really would appreciate it. Show some love for the OG. So let's take a look at Solana in the house right now. Solana has just gone cuckoo right now, and luckily I had a fill order. I had a limit buy order at here. I got filled. I got a limit order here. I got filled. This one didn't get filled yet at 18. So we got some support here at 179. So it's not looking good for Solana right now. It's $188 in the house. So guys, all I can say is you're gonna have to do two things: buckle up. Be patient. Absolutely do not panic sell out there. This is the worst mistake, the worst thing you can do. If you have any stable coins or any cash on the sidelines, remember, never use credit, never use debit to invest in crypto. This is not financial advice, but if you got any stable coin on the sideline, this is a good chance to go buy the dippy dips. Definitely dollar cost average and buy the dippy dips, guys. So yeah, it's not looking too good overall. So with that being said, guys, let's take a look at the OG portfolio in the house, and let's see how we're doing. So let's get it, guys. So earlier this morning we were up like 110%. So we have also, our portfolio has gone down around about 8% total. and we're still in profit, guys. Overall, we're still in profit. I mean, this portfolio is not financial advice; it's just the OG. You know, this is for education, entertainment purposes. And if you decide to copy any part of this portfolio, do so at your own risk. I'm not a financial advisor. So we're still at $4,581 profit, and we're at $9,580 is the total portfolio. Remember, we invested $5,000. So overall, we're not totally down on now, but we're giving up some profit, guys. That's for sure. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to go and follow me on my Twitter. We've got 3,249 people following us Twitter. Go follow. We have the latest news. We have some fun stuff. We have some tips on there. And you can always DM me, and I'll try to respond to you whenever I can. And with that being said, guys, don't forget to check out the merch. Check out the mug, the love mug. Get some love mugs, full of joy, full of hope. And you guys need hope and joy right now because crypto markets are down, Didi, down. Woo! I'm excited because I've seen this before, and it's a thing. It's a crypto thing, and overall the things will come back. And as I said, if you look at our portfolio, my portfolio is also still up around about it's also up, guys. So yeah, I wouldn't panic about it. I mean, this is very similar to my portfolio. However, my portfolio I entered into these positions over a year ago, so the profitability is much higher. But on the short time frame from July to now, we're still in profit, guys. So it's not a total Debbie Downer. It's not a total get out of town kind of thing. So we can see that I've also got hats, hoodies, and bags. Go gear up with OG Gear. Get some merch, guys. Merch up, guys. And remember, the super chats, the Patreons, the coffees, all this stuff goes to charity, guys. So please help out. And we're going to be doing another charity video soon, guys. Soon in the house. So with that being said, guys, so say God bless each and every one of you guys. Do not panic, Sal. I want to say this is the Ric Flair of crypto. It's giving you crypto love over the interwebs, guys. Don't panic. This will wash out the next 48 hours, and we could even see more of Chinese stocks on the broader markets in the US being delisted. So get ready for it. Get ready for it. So guys, this is your last chance to give a super chat. Last chance to smash the likes, subscribe, YB in the house. Peace out, guys. God bless you. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, let's get it.